Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TOSCIDO X109 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now do exactly the same, but easier, on an Android. After that, you need to select Send on TOSCIDO and Receive on an Android. After that, you can finally click on all of those dots and simply tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and click on Receive, but we can also just scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!